Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2640th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. We are approaching Fed Day number 2, Fed Decision Day, FOMC. Jerome Powell making his decision on raising rates, not raising rates. The likelihood is they will not raise rates. You just never know. So, do we trade on Fed days? No, we're not supposed to. We've got a beaming red OMNI, but we're not allowed to trade on Fed days. Let me just say, this is video 2640 coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading Wednesday. That's September 20th, 2023. Traders, it's a very risky game out there. Never trade without stops. Please put your stops in first before you get involved in a trade. Let's move forward. See this chart, the OMNI S&P? It's the daily bar chart. It's the very same chart I put in front of my OmniAx yesterday for trading on Tuesday, and I said, listen, guys, look at this. Look at how once the market finds this average, it works like magic. Boom, stops it from going up. Same here, same here. Then it gets above, stops it from going down, stops it from going down, stops it from going down, stops it from going down. Here we are testing it. Now, each time it gets there, it goes through just a little sometimes, and that's all it does. It comes right back up. Went through a little bit, right back up. Went through a little bit, right back up. It went through today, but the interesting thing is it closed above it. All right. Thank God it's a Fed day tomorrow. I don't have to make my choice on this one because the OMNI is beaming red, sell, sell, sell. But you've got this, and until this proves to me it's not just going to look like this, like the other ones before it, I would need confirmation. Then there's this. Check this out. Look at this big support line. Not only has it been holding the trend, holding the moving average, but it's holding the trend channel line as well. Look at the trend support line, right? Trend line support and the average coming together. Here, same sort of thing. Here, same sort of thing. So you've had it happen enough times for you to wonder, is the Fed meeting just going to make it turn around and go straight back up? So, I'm glad I don't have to take my OMNI signal for trading on Wednesday. I've got to sit this one out. I wanted to show that to all of you. Make sure you're careful out there. Whatever you're going to do, I would need confirmation before I would sell through this kind of action. So, let's see what's going to happen. Fed Day will certainly give us some sort of confirmation either way, and we'll pick up where we left off on Wednesday evening. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm always there in my live trading room. We can huddle together while we listen to the Fed meeting tomorrow and see where the markets go. Make sure that you subscribe to my videos and join me at livewithoscar.com. All right, traders, say this with me. Are you remember? It is how we end all of our videos. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Have a great day. I will see you at livewithoscar.com, and be careful. Tomorrow is a Fed meeting.